164 test matches, 11,867 runs, and 30 centuries. Most runs in test cricket, batting at number 5, 6,883 runs. He was just 86 runs away from Brian Lara's record to becoming the most successful test player to come out of West Indies. But he was forced to retire. Of course, we're talking about none other than Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul. वेस्ट इंडीज ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट को बहुत सारे लेजेंडरी प्लेयर्स दिए हैं, जैसे कि सर विवियन रिचर्ड्स, क्लाइव लॉयड और ब्रायन लारा. But the one name that goes along with this list of legends is of course Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul. Sachin Tendulkar के बाद Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul is one of those cricketers जिनका टेस्ट करियर 2 decades तक चला है. In fact, in 2002, he created a very unique record while playing against India. ये यूनिक रिकॉर्ड आज तक कोई नहीं तोड़ पाया है. Chanderpaul played 1,050 deliveries between 2 consecutive wickets and he played for 25 hours. Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul ने 1994 में इंग्लैंड के सामने अपना डेब्यू किया था and he reached the mark of 1,000 runs just within 15 matches. However, Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul को उनके रिकॉर्ड से ज्यादा इस चीज के लिए याद किया जाता है the way that he presented himself on the field. I'm sure all of you would remember उनका unorthodox cross batting stance, those patches under his eyes, and the way he would hammer the bails on the crease. Chanderpaul also captained the West Indies test team for about 14 odd test matches, but that ended in a disaster and he had to leave the captaincy. Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul ने अपनी लास्ट टेस्ट सीरीज भी इंग्लैंड के सामने खेली, जिनके स्टैटिस्टिक्स कुछ इस तरह थे: 46, 13, 1, 7, 25 and 0. Just 92 runs in 6 innings. And that was it. Clive Lloyd, who was heading the selection panel for West Indies cricket, stated that they were now looking for young talent, not the old senior players. इसके चलते चंद्रपॉल को अगली सीरीज से ड्रॉप भी किया गया. But he was keen on making a comeback into the team. Therefore, he did not announce his retirement. But then came the Masters Champions League, which was played in Dubai, and all the players who had retired from all forms of cricket would play in this league. And for Chanderpaul too, if he wanted to play in this league, उन्हें एक NOC लेना पड़ता from West Indies Cricket Board. Chanderpaul had a very attractive contract from Gemini Arabians worth $30,000. And when he went to the West Indies Cricket Board for an NOC, he was granted it, but with one clause: he should announce his retirement from international cricket. Chanderpaul wanted to play his farewell series against Australia, but West Indies Cricket Board was adamant on making sure that Chanderpaul procures the NOC only after announcing the retirement. अगर senior players के साथ ऐसा हो सकता है, तो think about how they will treat the young talent. This was the final statement that Chanderpaul made before announcing his retirement. And with that, Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul retired from international cricket in 2015 at the age of 41. Chanderpaul called this a forced retirement, but West Indies Cricket Board denied it and said that Chanderpaul was dropped because of a dip in his form. Even Brian Lara hinted at Chanderpaul in one of his interviews and said, एक प्लेयर ऐसे है जिन्होंने वेस्ट इंडीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा टेस्ट मैचेस खेली है. 20 साल का उनका करियर रहा है, बट शायद ही कोई उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन को आज तक समझ पाया है. इंडिया में भी हमने देखा है दैट प्लेयर्स लाइक VVS लक्ष्मण, वीरेंद्र सहवाग, युवराज सिंह, even Rahul Dravid did not get the farewell that they deserved after contributing so much to the game. Similar was the case with one of the best batters in Test cricket history and one of the most underrated cricketers of all time, Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul. Do let us know what you think in the comments. Which was that one player जिनको अपना deserving farewell नहीं मिला है? Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.